Welcome to STEM. In case you don't know, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. I am your teacher, Miss Leffelholtz, and this is my 19th year to teach. I have two sons, Aiden and Caden, and they are sophomores at the high school. I also go do a lot of things with my nephews, Raiden and Brock. And then I also have two adorable, snuggly boys that live at our house, Buster and Stumpy, and they keep our life exciting. There are 4 things that all of the people who have 6th graders have agreed on, and so this is the expectations wherever you go in the school. That your Chromebook is going to be put away in your bag before you enter the hallway or leave my class. Your phone should be in your backpack and turned off at all times. It should not be on your body. You should have no hoods on, and you should have no gum during the day. AirPods are not allowed, and the headphones that you do use should be able to plug into your Chromebook. These are the specific expectations for STEM class. You will show respect to the teacher, to the equipment, and to yourself and each other. You will be ready to do your best every day to listen to everyone's ideas and to listen and follow directions. You will be responsible for using materials wisely and for cleaning up your area. 6th grade gets to use bathroom passes for the semester. You will end up with 8 times that you can go to the restroom. Now, you will find those in the blue bathroom pass folder by the door. When you need to go, you need to plan ahead, grab the bathroom pass book, bring it to me with your page ready, and I will sign for you to go. Now, you only get to go 8 times during the semester, and you cannot use it while I'm teaching. You have to use it during group or independent work time. This is to cut down on just going to the restroom all the time and wasting our class time. We will be working to get free days in STEM, and we'll be using our Super Miller to do that. So when we have filled up the Super Miller, then we get to have a free day. Now, if that happens on a Thursday, we probably would go ahead and push it to Friday, but you get the idea. Those days are going to be earned from hard work and people doing what they should be doing. This is the safety information and drill procedures for STEM. If there was a fire, drill, or emergency, what we would do is go out the back door and then go and stand up by the fence next to the awning and picnic tables. When we get there, I'm going to start calling roll, so I need you to be getting there, being quiet, and being ready to listen. If we had a lockdown or intruder drill, we will turn off the lights and we will go sit on the floor over by the STEM store, unless Ms. Leffelholtz gives you other instructions. If there is a tornado, drill, or alert, then we will go out and we will duck and cover on the floor by the boys' restroom. If there is an actual tornado emergency, we will duck and cover inside the boys' restroom. I look forward to having you in class every day and getting a lot done in 6th grade. Here's a last shot of my dogs enjoying our morning coffee out on the back porch over the summer.